Hey, it's Chris Renee, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another travel vlog, y'all. I am about to take the Amtrak train from Birmingham, Alabama to New Orleans, Louisiana. And this is my very first time on an Amtrak train, and this is about to be a long, fun ride. Now, as you can see, they have two different private rooms. They have a roomette and they also have a bedroom. The bedroom is for, I think, two or more adults, and then the roomette is for two adults. Now, I was in the roomette, and I will say that it was really nice to have your private area. They had a sink and they had a plug to just bring in like extender if you're gonna have a lot of things to plug in. But they also had that toilet in there, and we didn't use that. I don't think it's a good idea to have a toilet inside of the room. Like, yeah, but it was really spacious, really nice, and I could not wait to take my shoes off and enjoy the ride. One thing I did like about having the private area is that it comes with meals, and you also get like a complimentary drink as well. And then you get unlimited sodas, juice, water the whole time. So after we got on, maybe an hour or so later, it was already time for lunch. So they come and get your order and then they bring it right to your room. Yeah, the lady said that this butter cake was like what they're known for. I didn't try it because I don't really like sweets, but I heard it's good.
I don't think it. I think it's better than the average TV dinner. Like, not like.
But not
I
like
mean, it's still a TV dinner, but like not better than the normal one.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her.
So this is the type of complimentary drink that you get with your purchase of being in the private area. But you can also buy more if you would like, and you can also bring your own alcohol. So I most definitely brought me a bottle of wine.
That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in a hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could.
Hey y'all, we got 4 more hours to go, and we'll be in New Orleans. And sorry, you gonna make me laugh. You looking at me. Okay, we got 4 more hours to go, y'all, and we'll be in New Orleans. So like a 7.5, almost 8 hour ride on the Amtrak. So far we've had, well, we have a private room. Say that I don't want to mislead y'all. So we have a private room, and we have lunch and dinner included. And the lunch options, they were okay. Like, I'm gonna show y'all what they look like, but they were okay. They wasn't bad. We got the job done. And you also get one complimentary drink, and then you can have like sodas and water and juice for complimentary the whole time. So yes, we have 4 more hours to go, and yeah, I'll be back because I'm gonna charge this camera. Bye.
Work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young chiller, girl, I'm known as Pen Griffey too.
Okay, so for dinner, you had the option to either go to the dining cart or they would also bring it to your room again, like they did for lunch. So we decided to go to the cart to eat, and they would take your order at your room. And then once you go in there, you just tell them your room number, and then they'll bring out what you ordered in your room. And it was cute. Like they had the cart like decorated nicely, and I really liked that. It was really cool to have dinner in the dining cart. So if you do this, definitely experience the dining cart. We are about to pull up. Oh, I look tired. We're about to pull up in the wilderness. I'm just come back. So we finally made it to our hotel, y'all, and we stayed at a Kempton property called the Hotel Fontenot, and it was so nice. It's a boutique hotel, and y'all, for the summer, they had this thing where they had like a secret password. I found it on TikTok, and I asked about it, and so I got to spin the wheel, and it was fun. It was cute. $10, raise the bar.
Okay, so you want a $10 bar raise.
Oh, okay, cool. Thank you. So the room was really nice. This was my first time staying at Hotel Fontenot in New Orleans, and it was super cute, y'all. I love this boutique hotel. So if y'all go, definitely book a room here and stay. And it's so convenient to everything. Speaking of which, we arrived at about 9:30 and we had reservations for Nobu at 10:45. So I had to hurry up and get ready, but I did want to show y'all the room. All right, y'all. We made it to New Orleans and we are about to go to dinner at Nobu. So after we tried Nobu out, we just hung out at the casino and then we headed down to Bourbon Street to get some hand grenades. And of course, you have to go to Willie's Chicken. So that was our late night snack. And I just love New Orleans because you could get chicken at any time of the night, like anytime. Hey y'all, it is the next morning. We had a great time last night. We got in kind of late, so we just grabbed some food off Bourbon Street and went to the casino, as you can see. And it's the next morning. We are about to head downstairs. So I did the little password thing. So we got 2 free drinks. So we're gonna grab some drinks before we head out into these New Orleans streets. And I'm gonna bring y'all with us. So let's go. Some videos. The lady kept looking at me. That's Alright, yeah. What's the name of that song? No, the one we're going to Loretta's.
Loretta's.
You said how far is the walk? Oh my god. Oh god. 20-minute walk.
How about you 15?
It ain't 15 minutes. Alright, y'all, listen. We are about to go to this restaurant called Loretta's that we saw on YouTube, and it's a 20-minute walk. Baby, who's so nice? Listen, y'all, I don't do all that walking, but we're about to see. We're about to see. But the restaurant looks really good, so I really wanted to try it out. So we're about to go try it out. They got like stuffed beignets and pralines, but actually you say pralines, if y'all didn't know. That's what I saw on YouTube, and I know I'm right. So yeah, we're about to go check this little restaurant out, and I'm gonna update y'all on the walk because baby, I'm gonna die. I'll need my little inhaler. I don't know. I already knew this was about to be good when I saw the long line. Alright, y'all. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but we got our pralines from Loretta's and we're waiting on our order. And this French market actually has a whole bunch of different little restaurants that you can try. So I'm sure we're gonna be trying more food because it smells so good. And I'm hungry because yeah, I'm hungry. Alright, let's see. Alright, y'all. I'm about to try this crab-filled beignet from Loretta's that I found on YouTube. So good. You better come to the French market and get you a crab-filled beignet or a crawfish one because it's so good. I eat these every day over the regular beignets anytime, okay? Real good. Now I'm about to try the praline filled beignet. It's so good. I want another crab one. With the line too long. Yeah. I don't even eat sweets like that. But this is so good. So good. Yeah, this French market had so many different things. Like they had little shops, they had a whole bunch of restaurants with so much good New Orleans food. They had some fresh fruit out there. I mean, they had everything. And also people were selling like little art items and all that. So if you have never visited the French market in New Orleans, you definitely have to go. So after we left the French market, we decided to go to a restaurant to get some food and sit down. Now, I recommend this place because I have been before, but I ain't gonna lie to y'all, nothing was good except that crab cake. That's it. After we left that restaurant, we went to Sanchon. Now, this is my favorite place to go in New Orleans. If you have never been, you definitely have to check them out. They have some really, really good food and they have really great drinks. Shout out to Janelle. She made some really good drinks when we were there, y'all. So if you go, make sure you ask for Janelle because she'll get you together.
I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a print shop. Waited out the
Okay, y'all. So, as if we hadn't been to enough places, that night we went to a place called Jolie, and I had never even heard of this place, y'all. It was so nice on the inside. It's not on Bourbon. It's kind of out of the way, tucked off, but it was in walking distance of our hotels. Okay, y'all, and we wrapped up our food tour because clearly Saturday was literally a food tour for us. We went to Mambo's that is on Bourbon Street. Again, I had never eaten here, but I do like that it was on Bourbon Street. So we were still kind of down on Bourbon Street, but not on Bourbon Street. And their food was so good, y'all. I always say Acme has the best oysters, but Mambo is really giving them a run for their money. Those oysters were really good. Like all of their food was really good, y'all. So check them out.
Cause that's the first one and the main one that everybody knew about.
Oh, okay.
But they never knew about the Nice Guys headquarters.
Yeah, we've seen a bunch of videos about it, so we wanted to just, try it out.
Yeah.
Hopefully the food good.
Yeah, I hope it is too for y'all.
Okay, so y'all already know Sundays are for brunch, and we got reservations at Nice Guys Nola because we heard that they have really good like brunch on Sundays and it's like a party. So we went here and y'all, we had a really good time. Like the food was good, the vibes were there. Like them people be turned up, like they don't play in there. It was a time. It was really good. So if you can't get reservations here, if you're in Nola, definitely go here and check them out.
Let's go. If you celebrate.
Right now, polish 10 toes down. Yeah. Again, shawty don't look down. Tattoo peeking through the see-through. Yeah. Body pink color, I see you. I see you. Used to be in love, now your life fuck Cupid. Hate to be a rag, so that nigga feel stupid. Coming through the gram, trying to figure out where you been. All I need to know is that you're outside. Watching real time, ain't too live. Easily adjusted to your new life. Since you let loose, you've been too tight. Tight. No place to unknown fence. You don't need to make that your own fence. Don't get money, these grown men. How do we come up, they sleeping? Pussy so good, gotta sleep in. Watch your back and knees in. Bring 'em in. I never get enough, never get enough. I never get enough, never get enough. Many fall in your direction. Choices like testing. Just selected.
Y'all, that food was so good. Finished that food. We finished that tower. People kept ordering towers all day. It was a good time. And the ride back on the train, y'all, was so nice. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe so you don't miss my next video.
His fault and you need to fall back.